Yo, I was really fat, y'all. Man, I was tired. Well, hello. How are you? Hey, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Oh, how y'all doing? I'm excited. This is a well overdue video. As you can see by the title, we are talking about keto and my experience, my journey, everything you need to know about keto. I'm here to talk about it. So before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe. Yes, I see my subscribers going up day by day. I'm so appreciative. Thank you for subscribing if you are already subscribed. If not, go ahead and click the button. While you at it, click the bell as well. And also be sure to follow me on my socials if you have not already. So the first question is, what the hell is keto? Like, keto. Like, what? Keto is everywhere. Like, they got it damn near about to be in, I think, Chick-fil-A, if I'm not mistaken. So let's give the dictionary reason as to what, the dictionary description for what keto is. So the ketogenic diet is a very low carb, high fat diet that shares many similarities with the Atkins and low carb diets. This reduction in carbs puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. Okay? It involves drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat. It is designed to help you lose weight rapidly. Like, baby, you're gonna lose weight fast, sis. Like, the guys too, because it's not just for women. So let me get into now, how long did I do keto? So I personally did keto for 3 months. Probably a little bit longer than that, but it was like probably like three months and like 3.5, I say. So I don't know if y'all know, but I was a little heavier. I wasn't like OD big or anything like that. If you follow me on Instagram, y'all already done saw everything. I posted the pictures, I did it all. So I was weighing in at 175, and this was about August last year I started. I remember it was right when the summer hit. Y'all, for the longest time, I did not want to stop eating like bad. I'm like, man, I don't give a fuck. Like, at this point, look, give me the donuts, give me the Chick-fil-A, give me the pizza. I want it all. Soda, juice, everything. I was eating and drinking everything. And I was not going to the gym. I didn't even think about going to the gym. I tell you, every minute I had to sleep or take a nap, I was out. Like, yo, I said to my mom, I said, yo, I feel the weight on me around my midsection. It felt heavy. I felt tired. And I say, I'm gonna change. I'm gonna make a change. Remember, I was online, you know, on YouTube, and I had looked up some stuff, you know, diets and all that. They were saying all types of diets, but I'm like, man, I'm not trying to eat no just grass and no military. The military diet, I think you just eat like eggs and grapefruit, and I wasn't doing that. I'm like, no, I'm not doing that because I'm gonna quit. Like, I already know how I am. Suggested videos showed this lady, she was, and I'm not, this ain't coming at nobody, but she was big. Like, she was, I think she was like 300 and something pounds, and she had an after picture, and she had lost so, like, almost 100 and something pounds, y'all. No lie. Look, no cap. She had lost so much weight, and she's, you know, in the title it says something about keto. So I started looking up the keto diet. I mean, when I say I saw videos on videos, I'm like, damn, this is real. Like, this is real. I said, you know what? Fuck it. I'm going to do it. I told myself I'm going to do it. So I goes on, you know, Google, start looking up, you know, the foods you can eat, all different websites. So I found out what foods I can eat, what foods I couldn't eat. And to be honest, it was a major difference. Because, you know, I was eating a bunch of pizza and all that type stuff. But the food list was not bad. It wasn't something that I was just like, oh my gosh, I don't think I can do this. I was like, I can do this. Like, this is not that bad. So I end up finding out the percentage that you are supposed to consume of each category. So I forgot, I show y'all like a description or something, or either post something on a video, but it gives you a breakdown. It shows you how much percentage of fat you should be intaking, how much percentage of carbs, and how much percentage of protein. So I'm like, okay, well, how do I find out how much I am supposed to be intaking? Goes on the apps on my phone. I'm like, what keto apps, carb I mean, I was looking up every type of app you can think of, and I came across this Carb Manager app. That's the name of the app. I'm gonna show y'all like a little picture of the app. Baby, when I tell you this app changed my life. I'm dead ass though. Like, so I download the app or whatever, so you know, you putting in your information, your name. The most important things that I was focusing on was my height, my weight, what my goal was as to how much weight I wanted to lose. I think it's like an airplane, y'all. And then my age. So I plug all that in. Then it has a breakdown of the percentages that I was talking about. So I plug them in. I'm like, okay, cool. When I tell y'all, after I finish plugging everything in, it gives you a breakdown of how much you should be consuming each day. So the net carbs, I'm not sure if y'all know what net carbs are. Those are what you want to track. So the net carbs are the carbs minus the fiber. Bet you ain't know that, did you? Haha. The good thing that I like about this app is that when you search the foods in the app, most of the foods are accurate. Like, they're already in the app. And on top of that, it allows you to scan the food. So if I want to know how many carbs, even though you can look on the back, but you want to scan it in so that it add on to your intake that day. It give you a whole list. So I did breakfast, I did a snack, I did lunch, I did another snack, and then I did dinner. That was how I broke it up every single day. So for breakfast, I would scan my spinach, I would scan my eggs, I would scan, and I would know how much I need to eat. I did that for like 3 strong months, y'all. No lie. I remember, no lie, like it was yesterday, y'all. I looked in the mirror one day. I'm gonna get into the workouts and stuff too, because I worked out too. Y'all, I remember, y'all, I woke up one day and I'm like, I'm skinny. Like, I looked in the mirror, I'm like, yo, I'm skinny. Like, yo, I lost weight. Like, I didn't even notice. Yo, no lie, this was after like 3 months of working out and eating right. I was like, yo, my body is like, oh my gosh, like, for real. Get into the workout part of it. So I didn't do any drastic working out. Like, people think that I was like hardcore doing some crazy strenuous workout. I actually didn't. Majority of my workout, like 90% of my workouts consist of straight cardio, like straight cardio. But I'm telling you, y'all, when I tell y'all the elliptical machine, baby, the elliptical, y'all know which one it is. The one y'all don't like to get on, y'all try to hide from. That one that do this, yeah, that's the elliptical. That one that work every part of your body, your legs, your arms, your back, your sides, your stomach, everything. It literally works everything. So I was on that jank like this. But I ain't start out like that. I started out slow. I started out on like level 5 or 4. I used to come in the gym, and the elliptical machine was the very first machine in the gym. A lot of people keep asking me how I lost weight. This bitch right here, this machine, hey, this will shed you fast as hell. I was setting small goals while I was on the elliptical. Like, yo, I remember the first time, it took me a long time to get to a mile. I don't remember exactly how long, but it took me a long time. And I was like, yo, next time I come here, I'm going to do this amount. And I'm going to get to a mile in this amount of time. Next time I come. And I was just telling myself, y'all, no lie, I ended up on level 20. Y'all heard me. 20. In 3 months, I ended up on level 20, y'all. Like, yes. And I documented the whole thing, y'all. I have a whole highlight on my Instagram. If y'all want to go check it out, I told y'all should follow me. The whole transformation, y'all. Whole transformation. So y'all go check that out. But I'm going to also insert some pictures so y'all can see what I used to look like. Y'all probably like, that wasn't you. Nobody believed that I looked like that under my clothes. How much weight did I lose off of keto? So y'all, I lost a total of 30 pounds. 30 pounds, y'all. Like 30. I weigh currently 145. I was 175. That's just so unbelievable to me. Like, you have to have a very determined mindset to lose weight, y'all. It is not easy at all. Did I get the keto flu? That's like a flu I've heard within like a week or 2 that you get from, you know, your body just changing or whatever like that. I didn't get the keto flu. I didn't feel any type of nausea or light weight or nothing like that. Only weight I felt was that weight dropping off. Okay. I also did Teamy blends. If y'all familiar with Teamy blends, comment below. Let me know. Teamy blends, excuse me, colon tea. I'm gonna put like a picture or something on here. I drunk that, I believe, like a week or two before I started my keto diet, as well as while I was on my keto diet. I sell my own keto meal plan, y'all. It is available anytime, so if you guys are interested, comment below, send me an email. My email is in my description box below. If you guys like the video, give the video a thumbs up. If you have not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I have so much more coming for y'all. It's about to be a new year, new goals, you already know. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. Bye.